These are 10 out of 10. What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, you're so much welcome, and please make sure you subscribe. The returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, and you know I love you. Yeah, so today, as you can see, we are in the kitchen and I'm about to show you guys how to make fluffy pancakes. So stick around, watch this video to the end, and make sure you learn something. Yeah. So before you get into it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on post notification, and tell me something nice in the comment section. Tell me, what did you have for breakfast, and what's your favorite meal, what's your favorite food to cook, and all that. So without wasting time, let's get into it.
Second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. Come a little closer. How long can you hold until your breath fall? It's been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you. I second guess me. I second guess them. Don't second guess me. So come a little closer.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome the new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion.
Hi guys, so a few minutes later my pancakes are ready and I've already tasted. Yeah, these are the best pancakes I've made so far. They're so yummy, you guys. I'll rate this a 10 over 10. Try this recipe, and if you love it, come back and tell me in the comments. You guys, I'll be waiting. These are 10 out of 10 with coffee. These with coffee or tea or milk and some fruits on the side and maybe honey. So I made a heart for everyone who watched to this far, just to show you guys that I love you, and I really appreciate you guys for watching my content. And yeah, thank you so much, and I love you. Yeah, so stay tuned for my next video.
Cause we are so free, and in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free, and in this moment, life is like a dream.